He can go past people with it.
And a goal! Liverpool draw first blood in the derby. And that has stunned the fans into silence.
Alright, so I just got the new FIFA 22 that just came out, right? But I got it on the PC this time around. Because I don't have the PS5, obviously. I don't have any other video game, to be honest. But the reason why I'm doing this video is kind of like give my reasoning of why I chose to just go PC gaming other than traditional video gaming. And also as of somebody that may be in a similar shoe like me, right? Somebody that just use their PC for like productive work, but not really that much of a gamer, but wouldn't mind like playing games like here and there. That's where I'm at, right? That's my niche right there. So and also like I'm not like the core like PC gamer, so I'm kind of like in between, right? Just play for like leisure time and also use my PC, so kind of like having this one unit that can do certify like both of my needs. So the reason why I actually decided to switch, obviously I've said that I'm not that much of a gamer, but at the same time I just feel like there's a whole lot more into PC, just in case if I do decide to like want to get deep into it. Because with PC gaming, right, you do have the ability to like upgrade your PC to like however you want to have it, whilst with traditional video games it's not like that, right? Like you just get it the way they put it up, they manufacture them, and just go with that. But with PC you can decide to upgrade your video card, or maybe increase your memories and blah blah blah. You can do some of that to some extent with the traditional video games, like increasing the memories and all that, but other than that you can increase the graphics card or like the processor, right? So that's one. And another reason as well why you may want to consider PC gaming is that with PC gaming, right, it's kind of free online gaming. You can play anyone with online that have the same game as you. They don't have to have like the same console, like the same PC. For example, like somebody can be on a MacBook that have FIFA 22, and I should be able to play them with my PC that I built, right? If I still have the same FIFA 22. Or it's like with video game, traditional video games, it's not like that. You would have to be on the same console, and also you would have to have the same game. So you would have to both have like either PS5 together and also have FIFA 22 in order for that to happen. It's something that they're thinking of changing, but like I have the cross platform play. Well, I mean, we'll see. And also another disadvantage with the traditional video game as well. Maybe not a disadvantage to some people, because at the end of the day, there's a whole lot more people playing it, which is their online games, right? But you would have to pay for it. For PS5, you would have to have the PlayStation Plus membership, whilst and Xbox too, they have theirs. PC gaming, nothing like that. It's just straight up boom, boom, boom. You're good, right? Everything free. Talking about free as well. Some of them you can find like a whole lot many free games on PC gaming compared to traditional video games. Whilst those you can get free gaming too, but you still need like the subscription for like the PlayStation Plus in order for you to get those games. But yeah, that's pretty much some of the reason why I would consider getting into PC gaming. But hey, enough of that ramble, man. Let me try my FIFA, because that's why I'm here in the first place. That's why I'm making this video, because I just wanted to like test the gameplay, right? See if it's similar or even same or better than traditional video gaming. But yeah, let's try it. I've already set it up, and let's just get rolling. Okay, I was supposed to restart this game because I kind of was playing previously, but I was taking the L, so that game don't count. So let's get a quick rematch. I'm not gonna finish that game. Come on now.
And welcome everyone to England's Northwest. The action soon to get underway here at Old Trafford. My name is Derek Ray, and sitting next to me here on the commentary gantry is the former Arsenal and West Ham United midfielder.
I mean, based upon what I'm seeing so far, the graphics is pretty good. Like,
in this case. It's Manchester United.
I know the PS5 graphics is pretty crazy, but that's not bad at all. That's very good. It's very doable. I mean, graphics don't matter that much to me, right? Like, if it don't look like GTA San Andreas, I'm good. But look at this, pretty good.
Well, Manchester United have chosen this particular shape. David De Gea begins in goal. Harry Maguire plays alongside Rafael Varane in central defence. Jadon Sancho plays with Marcus Rashford in the wide positions. And leading the attack today is Cristiano Ronaldo.
Okay, actually, before I start the game, right? So, I'm already liking the fact that the game is taking over the whole screen, because I'm actually using an ultra wide monitor. You know, with this ultra wide monitor right now, like not all games can like support that whole screen aspect ratio, but this FIFA is pretty much taking up the whole screen. So I'm liking it, because I had the Pro Evolution Soccer, the demo version, which I was playing on this, right? But it's kind of like have like the little cutout spaces, so with the black edges, and I mean, this just looks a whole lot more better. So that's the gameplay.
Wan-Bissaka.
Pogba.
It's with McTominay. Jadon Sancho.
Nice, put it in the box.
Space to cross it.
What? Almost. That was beautiful. Let me see what all it looks like. Yeah, not that bad. Come on. What? Oh no.
He decided to hit that with power rather than going for placement. Then there's every reason to believe that Cristiano Ronaldo will make an impact here.
Well, Derek, when he's on form, when he's focused, he's a brilliant runner with the ball. He can take on players. He can go past people with it.
No way. There's no way it's called that goal. What?
And that has stunned the fans into silence.
Oh my goodness.
This is a really good goal. Just look how well balanced he is. He knows he's going to be.
Oh nah, I gotta step on my game, man. This people not playing.
And back underway, 1-0 it is. And a goal!
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm getting my ass kicked right now. What?
Let's see this again, because the delivery into the box could
I don't want to see that.
into just the right area.
I don't want to see it. I just want to compete.
All he has to do is make the right connection. It's a lovely goal.
He's going forward well here. Well, nothing comes of it. It looked promising. And with the goal.
Okay, I'm not gonna finish that game because I clearly need some more trainings, or maybe like tweak around some of the settings. But the gameplay is pretty nice to me. I mean, I couldn't tell any difference. My friend got the PS5, played this FIFA a couple times, and I don't know, man. Like it's pretty good to me. So I'm definitely gonna have to play this more. I definitely need more practice, so I can compete. But anyway, thanks so much for sticking to the end of this. I hope you find value in this content, and please consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. Check out my other content as well. I do vlogs and also DIYs, so check them out, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Put it right in front, right on your head, bro. Look at that. Boom!